Imagine a world where your accounting runs itself. No more late nights sorting receipts, no more human errors in your books. That's the promise of Abacus AI, the next generation automation tool taking the finance world by storm. But does it live up to the hype? Is this really the future of accounting, or just another overpriced software? In this in-depth review, we'll test its features, break down the pros and cons, and reveal whether Abacus AI is worth your time and money in 2025. Let's get started. What is Abacus AI? Abacus AI is an artificial intelligence-powered accounting platform designed to automate bookkeeping, expense tracking, and financial forecasting. Unlike traditional tools that require manual input, Abacus AI uses machine learning to analyze transactions, predict cash flow, and even suggest tax-saving opportunities. It syncs seamlessly with banks, credit cards, and payment processors, promising to cut accounting time by up to 80%. But how does it actually perform in real-world use? Let's take a closer look. Key features: automatic transaction categorization. Forget manually tagging expenses. Abacus AI learns from your past entries and automatically sorts new transactions with scary accuracy. Whether it's office supplies or client dinners, the AI gets smarter over time. Real-time financial reports. Need a profit and loss statement before a meeting? Abacus AI generates detailed reports in seconds, with visual graphs that make financial trends crystal clear. AI-powered cash flow forecasting. This is where it gets futuristic. The software doesn't just track your money, it predicts future cash flow based on historical data, helping you avoid shortages before they happen. Tax optimization mode. As tax season approaches, Abacus AI flags potential deductions and even alerts you to compliance risks, saving you from costly mistakes. Multi-platform integration. It works with QuickBooks, Xero, Stripe, and even crypto wallets, making it a versatile hub for all your financial data. Impressive, right? But before you rush to sign up, there are some critical downsides you need to know. Pros and cons. Advantages: time savings. Business owners report saving 10+ hours per month on bookkeeping. Accuracy reduces human error in data entry by over 90%. Scalability grows with your business, handles everything from freelancers to mid-sized firms. Limitations. Learning curve. The AI is powerful but requires initial setup, not ideal for complete beginners. Pricing, it's more expensive than basic tools like wave accounting. Limited customization. Advanced users might miss granular control over reports. So who is this really for? Let's talk about the ideal user. Who should use Abacus AI? Abacus AI isn't for everyone. If you're a solopreneur with simple finances, you might not need its advanced features. But if you're a growing business drowning in spreadsheets, or a startup that can't afford a full-time accountant, this tool could be a game changer. It's also perfect for agencies, e-commerce stores, and anyone dealing with high transaction volumes. Pricing and alternatives. Abacus AI offers 3 plans. Compared to hiring a bookkeeper, it's a steal. But if you're on a tight budget, tools like FreshBooks or even Excel with plugins might suffice. However, none match Abacus AI's AI-driven insights. They offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test it risk-free. Link in description. Final verdict. So, is Abacus AI the future of automation? For small to medium businesses, absolutely. It's not perfect, the price and setup might deter some, but its time-saving potential and predictive features are light years ahead of traditional software. If you're ready to automate your finances and focus on growing your business, Abacus AI is worth serious consideration in 2025. What do you think? Would you trust AI with your accounting? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.